The stage is all set for the relaunch of Andhra Pradesh State Capital Works by none other than the Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, nearly a decade after he laid the foundation stone over there. After years of uncertainty, legal tangles and also political turmoil, the Prime Minister is set to relaunch the capital works in the presence of Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu, Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan and leaders of the ruling National Democratic Alliance. After a tumultuous 5-year pause orchestrated by the previous state government, Modi's return now represents a calculated political move by the centre and heralds a decisive pivot in centre-state dynamics for Andhra Pradesh. The central government has committed substantial financial assistance, facilitating a funding package reportedly around 15,000 crore rupees for phase 1 of development. This includes direct central funding and critically enabling loans worth a combined $1.6 billion from the World Bank and the Asian Development Bank, which is ADB. Agreements for which have already been signed. Significantly, reports have also suggested that the centre will take responsibility for the repayment of these multilateral loans, easing the fiscal burden on the state. Now, elaborate arrangements have already been made by the state government for the public meeting, which is expected to be attended by lakhs of people. We will be bringing you more details emerging straight from the ground. My colleague Mohammad Wajiullah is joining us live on the broadcast. Wajiullah, must be a very, very big day for the state today. Tell us more about the preparations on ground.
Well, you are right now at the venue where the second relaunch of Amravati will happen. That is the stage behind you, where at around 3:15 we will have Chandrababu Naidu sitting there, the Prime Minister sitting there, Pawan Kalyan there, and other top leaders of Andhra Pradesh will be sitting there. Over there, there is a mention of all the names also. The Governor will be present here, the Chief Minister, the Defence Minister, Nitin Gadkari, Piyush Goyal, Kinjapparu Ramanaidu, Ashwini Mahesh, Chandrasekhar will be there, Bhupati Raju will be there, Pawan Kalyan will be there, and as you can see, that is the main stage where the entire event will pan out. But if I tell my camera person to just turn around and show you how the venue how the arrangements are going on, this is the main venue where your officials, your government officials, most of the people with regards to senior officers, print media, all these people will be sitting in this. Like this, there are 2-3 other stages that have been set where the general public will also be sitting. Close to 2 lakh people are expected at this particular venue, at this particular inauguration. We had seen a similar crowd during the swearing-in ceremony also, and also when the first launch or the inauguration or stone-laying ceremony or the foundation ceremony of Amravati was laid in 2014 by the Prime Minister. Now, this is a very significant day for Chandrababu Naidu and for Andhra Pradesh, because since the bifurcation in 2014, they were not able to decide on the capital. It was first Amravati that was decided at the capital, but after that we had seen a change in the government, and that is when Jagan Mohan Reddy had changed the entire concept of a capital and made sure that there are 3 capitals for Andhra Pradesh. And now, with the election outseating him, we had Chandrababu Naidu again at the helms of affair, and he has made sure that there is no stone unturned to make sure that this stays as the capital, and that is why the presence of Prime Minister Modi is significant. That adds as a sponsorship from the centre, that adds as a that the centre also guarantees the fact that Amravati will be the capital of Andhra Pradesh, and he's also trying to pass a legislation also from here, which is stating that no other chief minister again who comes to power will be able to change that. So it is quite significant. The arrangements are going on. From I think at 12 o'clock onwards we will see the crowd crippling in, and from 2 o'clock at 2:55 is what we've been told that the Prime Minister will land at the Vijayawada airport. From there, through an helipad, he will come here to the venue at around 3:15. So 3:15 is when the actual time has been slotted for the Prime Minister. It will be a 1-hour program, and around 4:55 he will be departing from here, Vijayawada to Kerala is what I believe. So this is the stage, and all of this is set for the grand celebration of Amravati.